All right, now let's get back to our mortgage calculator and implement some basic error handling. So here I've changed this question by adding this label that identifies the range of values we can enter. So the minimum amount of loan we can get is $1,000 and maximum is $1 million. So if I enter 1 here, I get this message, enter a number between 1,000 and 1 million. And now we are asked this question one more time. If I keep entering invalid values, I get asked the same question. Now let's enter a valid value like $1 million. Next, we need to enter the annual interest rate. Now here we need to enter a value that is greater than 0 and less than or equal to 30. So if I enter 0, we get this message, enter a value greater than 0 and less than or equal to 30. Once again, we're asked this question one more time. So let's enter a valid value like 3.92. Here we need to enter a value between 1 and 30. So if we enter 0, we get an error message and we're asked the same question. So let's enter 30 and finally we get the result. Here's our mortgage or monthly payments. So go ahead and spend 5 to 10 minutes on extending this mortgage calculator by adding error handling to it. You'll see my solution next.